96.5. You know they're only updating you, saying some of these things because they have to. Chicago Department of Public Health reminds you, don't smoke or drink while you're shoveling today. Really? Seriously. They had to say that.
Every time you take a sip in this smoky atmosphere, you press that bottle to your lips, and I wish I was your beer. And in the small there of your back, your jeans are playing peekaboo. I'd like to see the other half of your butterfly tattoo. Hey, that gives me an idea. Let's get out of this bar, drive out into the country, and find a place to park. 'Cause I'd like to see you out in the moonlight. I'd like to kiss you way back in the sticks. I'd like to walk you through a field of wildflowers, and I'd like to check you for ticks. I know the perfect little path out in these woods I used to hunt. Don't worry, babe, I've got your back, and I've also got your front. I'd hate to waste a night like this. I'll keep you safe, you wait and see. The only thing allowed to crawl all over you when we get there is me. You know every guy in here tonight would like to take you home, but I've got way more class than them, babe. That ain't what I want. 'Cause I'd like to see you out in the moonlight. I'd like to kiss you way back in the sticks. I'd like to walk you through a field of wildflowers, and I'd like to check you for ticks.
Brad Paisley could check me for ticks.
Never know where one might be. There's lots of places that are hard to reach.
It's a freaking parking lot. Come on.
I'd like to see you out in the moonlight. I'd like to kiss you, baby, way back in the sticks. I'd like to walk you,
I'd have to figure out an alternative route. This is not working out.
check you for ticks. Oh, I'd sure like to check you for ticks. Come on.
Woohoo! We moved 3 feet.